Morning, everyone. It's 8:36, and we had a multitude of numbers and economic numbers come out. This is your pre-open for Thursday morning, the 15th of September, and it's video 1452. Okay, railroads, a tentative agreement. I guess that means it still has to be voted on, and that information came from the White House, so who really knows? The railroads, however, were higher across the board. CSX was up, you know, just in general, much higher. Not much higher. CSX up $1.07, which is 3.4. Union Pacific up $9, which is 4.5. Norfolk and Southern up $7.46 or 3.13. I guess we're going to have to see what Amtrak does. They canceled all of their long distance travel yesterday. Okay, economic info. Claims down 9,000 to 213,000. So that's continuing to move lower. And the one that was substantially better was continuing claims, 1,403,000. They were looking for 1,475,000. So decent there. Retail sales were up 0.3%. That's versus an expectation of down 1/10. X autos down 0.3%, and X autos and gas. The number was down 1.6. Okay, import prices down 0.1%. Expectation was for down 1.2 without petroleum. Year over year number there is 7.8%. So that's still stubbornly high. Export prices down 1.5%. That's versus last month's down 31. They were down 13, so an improvement there. Philly Fed was down 9.9. Expectation was for up 6.2. So there you have it. The entire action of all of these numbers before the information came out, the markets were down 9 in the Dow, down 46 in the NASDAQ, and down 10 in the S&P. Right now, we are literally unchanged from that. Dow up 27, S&P down 5, and the NASDAQ down 25. So all that information and no real action. Asia and Europe were slightly higher. Adobe had a beat and on their report, and the stock is currently trading at 342.90, down 29. I guess their guidance on their guidance on revenue growth was a little off, so the stock is down 7.5. Also, they're buying a company called Figma, Figma. It's clearly not a public company. It's another. I can't even tell what it is. It's a digitized productivity something or other. In the meantime, the street doesn't like it. And a name from the past, not very much in the past. You'll remember ATXG, Adentax. This one was the one that did a 5 million shares at $5 not very long ago. 2 weeks ago, traded up to 1147 pre-market the second day, and came back in to about 650 that day has since come in a little. Today it's up $1.24 at $6.02. So the deal was actually underwater yesterday at the close. Chart on the screen is the bonds maintaining that um, channel, top and bottom. And also, this is the June, this is a daily, so these are the June numbers, and it looks like it's trying to dig its heels in a little here. I'm not sure it's going to be able to do that. And by the way, the twos and tens, the split there is a negative almost 40. So not only is the yield curve inverted, it's getting worse. Around the rest of the commodities, mostly lower. Grains slightly lower. Oil down $1.36 back to 87.13. The low there is 87.11, so right at the lows. Heating oil down 12 cents, which is pretty substantial. This is the one that's been actually hanging out the best versus gas. And it looks like it may be ready to test this. Now it closed yesterday right on the rising 200-day MA. Today it's solidly below it. Nat gas had a great day yesterday. Today giving back about half of it. Was up, I think, 90 cents yesterday. Today it is down 56 cents right now. Give you a look at that because that's an exquisite chart. This is one I really want to try and buy back in this same area. This is 780. As you can see, it's an inside day, but it is substantially lower. Gold is slightly lower. Silver is slightly lower. The gold is right back to that 1696 area, that 1700 area. I'm going to guess we're going to bounce yet again. The softs are down a little. The dollar is basically unchanged. Bitcoin up 210, Ethereum up 14. According to what I'm hearing on the news, the Ethereum merge is complete. That's the upgrade of the software that dramatically reduces the cost to mine it by 99%. Bonds were lower. They're now down 1/4 of a point. Actually, that is the low. 32.09 the high. All right, everyone, be careful out there. I don't have a clue on the day. If I had gun to head, I'd say it's probably going to be lower again. And Narobo, NRBO. This is a stock that was 6.25 recently, 8.25 recently. Got up as high in the last couple of days to 63.75. Came all the way back down to 16. And the last is 27.25 up 10.36. And to give you an idea about what BS this is, the only news on the Robo is the fact that they just did a reverse split 1 for 30 when the stock was $6 and change, shot up on Monday, was 1667, up 100%. And then the next day, Tuesday, was up as high as I said, 63.85. No news, just a reverse. Good luck, folks. Be careful.